So I'm getting the files viral in the entire country. I hope it happens. The moment I do the WhatsApp, everyone gets those messages. What do you call it? Everyone are connected to my phone. I don't know how they know and what they do. So the files are very raw, but you have to go through the synopsis to get the actual thing, what it is. Getting this way. You have to go through the synopsis. So viral it like a viral those synopsis like a thing, and those actual files are raw. No one can complete it without me. I know what has to be done. So uh, do it. Viral it. That's the thing. Scammers were after me, and they like to viral nudes, right? They like to viral nudes. Viral those files. That's the reason those people made my nudes. Viral those files. I'm giving the copyright to the entire country. I'll donate those files to the entire country, every individual. And fake bank account as the prostitution, this thing, prostitute transactions. Those are the hookers who stand on the street and make sex videos. I had enough of this shit now. And the one who sold those files in the what do you call it? It's in the fake bank account. My name is also there. Check out. Entire country can get those bank transactions, those numbers and names. If one branch won't give, the other branch will. So, those are the prostitutes in the fake bank account. So, uh, do the file viral as much as you can. I'll be dropping in the copyrights. I'll be dropping in the creation date and every information. I'll be dropping in the stolen drive details. I'll be dropping in the synopsis and the shooted synopsis, shooting visuals. I'll be dropping in the press release, magazine release, and court papers. What more is left? दो तीन चीज़ में ही गांड मार लग जाएगी, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. एंड द करप्शन थिंग, ड्राइव चेंज दिस थिंग, ड्राइव चेंज एविडेंसेस. So I'll drop in everything. So make it viral. Get those file viral and get this information viral. And when I'll do the press donation thing, I just have to put an advertisement. That's it. In the newspapers. So everyone should buy that newspapers. I'll get a source that that newspaper is available in every state. I'll see that kind of newspaper. So everyone can claim those files. Same like the scammers stole my files, made sex videos, did bank fraud, corrupt officers buried the information, and they were trying to create race riots. So, and they also run prostitution and sextortion rackets. Do these files viral as much as you can.